Good evening, everybody. I wanted to do a quick update on my bed cover. I got a relatively cheap one, and I wanted to show you what's come of it in the last 6 weeks that I've owned it. So stick around. All right, so far it's done a great job. We took it on a trip to Ohio. Kept everything nice and watertight. But one of the things is that this, it's tensioned, so it's like pulling the back up. And I fixed the gap in the front with the seal, so that's not a problem. But this used to seal, but I think the tension from the fabric shrinking, I'm not sure, is pulling on it. So I really don't know. Other than that, I love the thing. I was wondering if anybody has any suggestions on how to fix this little problem. If you do, please put them in the comments below. Thank you very much. On another note, I have not worked on the Copart Focus since my father-in-law died. We've just been running sideways. So I intend to do some work on this weekend. I need to get it finished so I can drive it or sell it or something. But we've got through the immediate issues with my father-in-law's passing. And so now hopefully I have a little bit of time to work on the Copart Focus and get it done and get it driving. So, the bulk of this show, or this video, the bulk of this video is about the tonneau cover. But, if you want to rib me about not having the Focus done, that's good too. But and like I said, I appreciate all the views, I appreciate all the comments, I appreciate all the subscriptions. Please put any ideas on how to solve this issue in the comments. Greatly appreciate it. Talk to you later.